concept also we are going to see the same formulas like efficiency, work done and time taken. Same formulas but like different concepts. Working with different efficiencies, we have seen A complete a piece of work in so and so days, right? So here we are going to see like how many minutes it will take to fill a cistern or tank. This we have to find. So first, what is mean by cisterns? I think it is new term for us. So what is mean by cisterns? Yeah, it is also known as tanks. So first we'll see the concept of pipes and cisterns. Cisterns is also known as tanks. Pipes. In this concept, we have two types of pipes. One is inlet pipe. The other one is outlet pipe. What is the role of inlet pipe? It gives water to the tank, right? For example, we'll take one tank. Inlet pipe gives water to the tank. So we have to represent inlet pipe in positive sign, which is plus. Inlet pipe positive. Outlet means it empties the tank. Outlet may be in the like sign of leakage, damage, holes. Outlet pipes, or it can be leakage, damage, holes which occurred in the tank. So outlet pipe role is to empty the tank. So we have to represent outlet in minus symbol. Inlet pipe positive, outlet pipe negative. Keep this in your mind. Next, we'll move to the question. Two taps AB can fill a cistern in 42 and 56 minutes respectively. Both the taps are open together, then find the time taken to fill the cistern. So here they have given A tap take 42 minutes to fill the cistern. B takes 56 minutes to fill the same cistern. So now we have to find if both the taps open together, how many minutes it will take to fill the cistern. This we have to find. So for that, first we have to find the work done. To find work done, we have to find the LCM of 42 and 56, right? So 42 and 56 LCM. First we will go with 2 table 21, then 2 8. Then again 2 table, 21 will not go with 2 table, so we will keep as it is 21. Next 28, 14 times. Again 2 table, 21, 7 times. Now 21, 7, both will not go with second table, so we will see third table. 21, 7 times, then 7 as it is. Then we will take direct 7 table, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 7, 24 into 7, which is 168. If you don't know like 22 into 7 means, like do it, don't make mistake. If you're not confirm about the answer means, like take a separate place and do it. Like உங்களுக்கு multiplication division வந்து அப்படியே பார்த்த உடனே சால்வ் பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து or else டவுட்டா ஃபீல் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா தனியா சால்வ் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க இந்த மாதிரி. பட் சால்வ் பண்ணாம நீங்க அப்படியே மைண்ட்லயே கால்குலேட் பண்ணி தப்பான ஆன்சர் கொடுத்தீங்க எல்சிஎம்ல அப்படின்னா டோட்டல் சம் will be wrong. Okay, so LCM careful எடுங்க. After finding work done, we have to find the efficiency of A, then efficiency of B. So efficiency of A, what is the formula for efficiency? Work done by time taken, right? So work done 168, time taken by A 42 minutes. So 168 by 42, which is 4. So efficiency of B 168 by 56. So 3. So total efficiency of A and B, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Now we have to find the time taken, right? So time taken formula, work done by efficiency. Here work done is the LCM value, which is 168. Then efficiency of A and B is 7. By cancelling, we will be getting 24. So 24 minutes. Same procedure. First you have to find the LCM, then keep it as work done. Then next step, find efficiency for two values like 2 taps or 2 persons. Then add both the efficiencies. At last find the time taken. That's it. Next question. 2 taps AB can fill a cistern in 10 and 15 minutes respectively. Both the taps are open together, but at the end of 3rd minute tap B is turned off. In how much time will the cistern be filled? Okay, already we have seen a similar sum. Like we have seen Raju Vikram sum, right? Same like அதே மாதிரி தான். அங்க வந்து டேஸ் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, இங்க வந்து மினிட்ஸ்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ அங்க வந்து ஒர்க், அங்க பர்டிகுலர் ஒர்க்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, இங்க வந்து சிஸ்டனை ஃபில் பண்றதுன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அவ்வளவுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ், பட் சேம் ஃபார்மேட் தான். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் A takes 10 minutes to fill a cistern. Then B takes 15 minutes to fill the cistern. Now this information is enough. Now we are going to find the work done. So work done in LCM of 10 and 15. So first 2 table 5 times 15 போகாது அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். Next 3 table 5 போகாது அப்படி வச்சுக்கலாம். Then 5 times. So 5 1 1. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, right? So LCM of 10 15 is 30 will take us work done. Efficiency of A. Efficiency of A 30 by 10 which is 3. Then efficiency of B 30 by 15 which is 2. Now we have to add both the efficiencies. Efficiency of A and B which is 5. Okay, next we will see the second information. Both the tabs are open together but at the end of the third minute tab B is turned off. Like same thing. அந்த ராஜீவ் விக்ரம் சம்ல வந்து 30 days ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த 30 daysக்கு அப்புறமா ராஜீவ் லெஃப்ட் ஆயிட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருப்பாங்கல்ல. அதே மாதிரி இங்க ரெண்டு டேப் ஓப்பன்ல இருந்திருக்கு 3 minutesக்கு. 3 minutesக்கு அப்புறமா tab B turned off அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. ஸோ அந்த 3 minutesல எவ்வளவு லிட்டர்ஸ் ஃபில் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, அந்த கம்ப்ளீட்டட் ஒர்க் டன் எவ்வளோன்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? கம்ப்ளீட்டட் ஒர்க் டன்க்கு ஃபார்முலா ஃபார் ஒர்க் டன். Formula for work done is efficiency into time, right? So efficiency for 2 taps 5 into time taken 3 minutes க்கு fill பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 3 15 liters 15 liters fill பண்ணிட்டாங்க ஏவும் பியும் அந்த 3 minutesல. Total work done 30, completed 15. அப்ப remaining work done எவ்வளோ? remaining work done equal to total minus completed. So total 30, நமக்கு LCMல வந்து 30 minus completed 15. இப்போ remaining liters எவ்வளோ? 15 liters. இந்த 15 liters யார் fill பண்ணணும்? ஏவா பியா? Only A. Only A. Why? Because remaining work done 15 liters that have to be only done by A because tab B is turned off after the third minute. So now we have to find the time taken. Time taken formula, work done by efficiency. Here the remaining work done is 15 liters, so 15. It should be only done by tab A because tab B turned off after the third minute. So efficiency of A 3. So 15 by 3. By cancelling, we'll be getting 5 minutes. So what is the question? In how much time will the cistern be filled, right? So total time taken they have asked. So already 3 minutes A and B like partially fill the tank, so 3 minutes. Add on to that after that remaining let us filled by A in the time taken of 5 minutes. So total minutes 3 minutes plus 5 minutes. So 8 minutes taken to fill the whole cistern. Last question in this concept. A cistern is fitted with 3 taps, namely P, Q and R. P and Q can fill a cistern in 10 and 15 minutes respectively. And our emptying tap fitted at the bottom of the cistern can empty it in 12 minutes. So here they have given P is an inlet pipe, it gives water and it takes 10 minutes to fill a cistern. Then Q also inlet pipe, it takes 15 minutes to fill the cistern. R is the emptying tank, which means outlet pipe, it takes 12 minutes to empty the cistern. So we have to represent P in plus symbol, Q also plus symbol, R in negative symbol. The question is, if all the 3 pipes are kept open, in how much time will the cistern be filled? So we have to find if all the 3 pipes are kept open, how many minutes it will take to fill a cistern. For that, first we have to find the work done. So work done is nothing but LCM of 3 values, 10, 15 and 12. So first 2 table, 5 times 15 will not go, so take as it is, 12 6 times. So next again 2, 5, 15 then 6 3 times. Now 5, 15, 3 will not go with second table, we will move to third table. 5, 15 5 times, 3 1 time. Next remaining 5 table, 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5 60. LCM of 10, 15 and 12 is 60. Now we have to find the efficiency of PQR. Efficiency of PQR. So first time taken by A. Time taken by A 10 minutes, right? So LCM work done 60 by 10 which is 6. LCM efficiency of P is 6. Then time taken by Q is 15 minutes. So work done 60 by 15 which is 4. Then 60 by time taken by R to empty the cistern is 12 minutes. So 60 by 12, 5. Now we have to add all the efficiencies. P plus Q plus R. So 6 plus 4. We should not give plus symbol here because R is emptying pipe. So minus 5. Write the reason why, because R is the emptying pipe. So we have to represent it in negative symbol. So minus 5. So 10 minus 5, 5. Efficiency of PQR is 5. Now we have to find the time taken. Time taken formula, work done by efficiency, right? So work done is 60. Time taken equal to work done by efficiency. So efficiency of PQR is 5. So denominator 5. So 60 by 5, which is 12 minutes. If all the three pipes are kept open, it will take 12 minutes to seal the system.